Come on, you do it.
Pretty bird.
You're a very pretty bird.
Pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird.
Hi, pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Oh, thank you. Do that other thing you did.
Pretty bird.
Do that other whistling, that song. Do that one. Oh!
Pretty bird.
You're a beautiful bird. Do that. You do it now. What? This is Audie Murphy, and since today is Memorial Day, this is really your special day. It's very, very special day. Since we've only owned you for very pretty. We've had you for, what, 2 days now? Audie's 2 years old. He's a blue front Amazon. He lives in Royal Palm Beach, Florida. And he's a little ham. We love him. What's up? What are you doing? Thank you. You love it when I do that. I don't know why.
Pretty bird.
You're a beautiful bird.